get a flawless, natural smile without hurting your teeth. I am Dr. Sunaita Agarwal from Arya Dental and Orthodontic Clinic, and I will guide you how to get a flawless, natural smile without going for invasive procedures. Many of us always had the problem of smiling freely or openly because of gaps in your teeth, and we must have felt embarrassed in many situations, whether it's a party or whether you're taking a selfie. You have always felt conscious of smiling openly, right? When you visit a dentist, the only solution they give you is go for veneers or go for crown. Now, veneers or crown is a good thing, right? It is not a bad thing, but it involves cutting down your teeth to a smaller size to accommodate the crowns or the veneers. So ultimately, you are cutting down on your natural teeth and going for something truly artificial, which might last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, God knows when. So once you visit an orthodontist instead of a dentist, the option you get is braces. Who loves braces? I wouldn't want braces for my teeth. How can I ask you to get braces? Braces? Well, braces, if you're comfortable, they are a good thing. Again, they are very natural. They close down the spaces very slowly and steadily, and you get a good result. But an adult like me or a teenager like you would never want braces. Who wants to get bullied or made fun of? So what option are we left with? So the option that I'm going to give you is what I've given before also, but I'll take you step by step. The solution what I'm giving you is something truly invisible, truly natural, and I have seen the results. They are amazing, especially for spacing. They are clear aligners. They are so good that nobody can even make out that you're getting a treatment done. And within weeks or within months, your gaps are closed and nobody even notices them anymore. So clear aligners are made by different companies. There are some standard companies, there are companies that are trying out, there are Indian companies, there are international companies. You can go for any one of those. I do not promote a single brand, but what I have used mainly is Invisalign clear aligners. I am comfortable with them. I know how they work. I have seen the results. Okay, I have used Novalign also, and they are also pretty good in closing spaces. So there is no particular brand that you go for, but you have to go for clear aligners. The job they do is same. They are invisible, they close down the spaces very slowly, and finally you get a good smile. So step number 1 is find an orthodontist who works with clear aligners. Right? I work with Invisalign clear aligner and Novalign. So if you're in Lucknow and you have gaps in your teeth or you have any other problem, you know whom to contact. Right? I'm not saying that you just call me. You can go to other orthodontists in your area also. So anyways, jokes apart, find an orthodontist that has experience and that has knowledge and that who has worked with clear aligners on different patients. Right? Step number 2, arrange for a virtual consultation. There is no point in going and visiting a dental clinic just for the sake of a consultation. So what I do is I arrange a virtual online consultation where I can see my patient, I can judge what his issue is, I can address his concern, and then when everything is finalized, when the job needs to be done, then we move on to the third step. So the third step is getting a scan done. What is scan? See, for aligners to be made, they have to be very precise and very accurate. So there are 2 ways that we can do that. One is we take an impression of your teeth, of your all teeth, upper and lower, or we can get a scan done. The scanner comes and then scans the entire dentition, upper and lower, and that record is sent over to the company for the aligners to be made. But the aligners are just not made only on the scans, on the basis of scans. There is something called as treatment plan. Treatment plan is where I come into the picture or we come into the picture, where we design your treatment plan, we tell the company what we need, we tell the technicians how the teeth have to move, and then your treatment plan is made. That is step number 3. Step number 4. your second appointment. See, we are not taking many appointments, right? The first appointment was for scan. The second appointment will be for the delivery of your clear aligner. So on the day of delivery of your clear aligner, you will have some attachments placed on your teeth, and then the aligners will be delivered to you. It will be a half an hour appointment, and then we move on to the step number 5. So before we move on to step number 5, I want to clear some doubts about aligners. One is that aligners are not as painful as braces. I have used them myself, so I know that pain is there. If your teeth are moving, they're gonna pain. But the pain is relatively less, and it is for a lesser duration. So one day, that's it, you have slight discomfort and then you get used to it. Now step number 5. Step number 5 involves you doing the treatment for yourself, sitting at your home without the involvement of me, because I have planned everything for you. I have given it on a platter, and now you just need to change your aligners and see the magic happening in your teeth. So in 6 to 9 months, all the gaps are closed and you get a good brand new smile. What is better than that? So that is the best way for you to get a good smile. Yes, you have to wait 6 to 9 months, but that's a very small price to pay for a good smile. Talking about price, it is pretty expensive, but it's worth it. Believe me guys, it's just worth it. Try it once and let me know in your comments what your issue is. Whether it is gap teeth, whether you have crowding, whether your teeth are front or forwardly placed, I might be able to help you out, right? So leave your comments below and let me know what issues you have with your smile, and then maybe I can help you one little bit, right? So if you think my video was 1% helpful for you, and if you think it can help others, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel, because you will be getting updates on how to maintain a better lifestyle, better oral health, and a better smile, right? So till the next video, I'll see you more. Oh yeah, one more thing, that bell icon, please press it so that you get a notification when I'm posting a new video, right? Till the next video, stay at home, take care, and see you guys. Bye.